enlightened. Soon after her return from the Himalayas, at the earnest request of those around her, Supreme Master CHINGHAI shared the Kuan Yin method with others, encouraging them to look within to find their own greatness. Through the Kuan Yin method of meditation, they also attained greater fulfillment, happiness, and peace. Before long, invitations arrived from the United States, etc.
I saw that I was everywhere and in every creature.
Europe,
To see God is very, very simple.
Asia,
All religions tell you be a good person here and find heaven while you can.
Australia,
We are the sons and daughters of God. We are ourselves, the Supreme Master.
Africa,
I will show you how to get direct teaching.
and South America.
And keep the commandments and try to lead a more vegan life.
As well as from important organizations for Supreme Master CHINGHAI to give lectures.
The peace and love that we most often talk about and seek, we have within ourselves. You must look inside and find your own treasure and find the real, lasting happiness. The future is in our hands. So you make it beautiful or you make it worse. It's up to you.
Supreme Master CHINGHAI has realized many spontaneous talents that she expresses through artistic paintings and creations, music and poetry, and aesthetic jewelry and clothing designs, expressing the inner and outer beauty. The income generated from her artistic creations has enabled Supreme Master CHINGHAI to create an independent source of funding for humanitarian activities in support of her noble mission of assisting God's children in their times of need. Although she does not seek acknowledgement of any kind, Supreme Master CHINGHAI has been given awards worldwide by government officials and private organizations on numerous occasions. They include the World Peace Award, the World Spiritual Leadership Award, the Award for Promotion of Human Rights, the World Citizen Humanitarian Award, the Award for Outstanding Public Service to Mankind, the 2006 Gussie Peace Prize, the Los Angeles Music Week Certificate of Commendation, and first place silver for the 27th Annual Telly Awards, 2006. In addition, October 25th and February 22nd have been proclaimed as the Supreme Master CHINGHAI Day in the United States.
CHINGHAI, she also brings love around the world where there is hate. She brings hope where there is despair. And she brings understanding where there is misunderstanding. She is the light of a great person, an angel of mercy for all of us.
Agradecer a la Suprema Maestra su liderazgo, agradecerle su optimismo, agradecerle ese don de gente que tiene que la hace tan única y tan especial.
Fue una impresión muy grata de ver un corazón tan noble, tan dispuesto a servir. Ella está sirviendo a todos los seres humanos, está sirviendo al planeta para salvarlo, para rescatarlo. Tiene un corazón noble, pero también un gran liderazgo. Sé que van a suceder las cosas que tienen que suceder.
Supreme Master CHINGHAI is one of the truly dedicated people of this era, helping others find and create a beautiful vision of our future. Many great people in history have had a dream, and in her own words, so does Supreme Master CHINGHAI.
I dream that all the world will become peaceful. I dream that everyone becomes the Buddha. I dream that all the killing will stop. I dream that all the children will walk in peace and harmony. I dream that all the nations will shake hands with each other, protect each other, and help each other. I dream that our beautiful planet will not be destroyed. It takes billions, trillions of years to produce this planet. And it's so beautiful, so wonderful. I dream that it will continue, but in peace, beauty, and love.
We now invite you to watch the first part of this joy-filled gathering titled Blessings, Master Meets with Disciples, Compilation 1, Part 1 of 8, on Between Master and Disciples, given in English, Alasis, or Vietnamese, and Chinese, on August 3rd, 9 and 11, 2015, in Menton, France.
I don't have time, I know that. You think I'm not beautiful enough? I love that. It's a CHINGHAI. Yeah. Thank you. Ngồi đâu đó cũng ngồi trong này luôn. Mấy người già vô đây ngồi bên kia ngồi bên này. Chị hai lên kia một lát xuống lại. Only old people, right? Không. Đây nhà ngồi đây đâu cũng được hết. Kiếm chỗ nào ngồi trong đó cũng được. Okay ha? You take care of it for me, okay? Yeah. They sit anywhere they want, okay? As long as there's a little road to go. Yeah. Just little is enough. There's one space here also, okay? You organize it. Yeah. This side, the other side. Sit here, sit there, sit everywhere. I'm coming back. You guys organize, okay? Organize for them. And some more sit here. Here can also sit a few old people, okay? And here also some old men. I mean young old men. Yeah. As long as there's place, you let them sit, okay? 如果有地方的话，都给他们坐，听懂没有？哎呀，这边也有呢。안녕하세요. One person volunteer for me. There are a lot of places behind here. It's cooler for the old people. A lot of place in this room. Here. It's very cool. Come. So the others can come in. 快点处理 ，OK？ 能进来多少就多少，然后呢这边多少就多少 ，OK？ 老人家嘛比较凉，听懂 ？OK。老人而已啊 ，OK。老人家请进，剩下交给年轻 ，OK？ 该请坐座位。If some left over, then the young people can come in.
Okay.
If not, then only open. That's the staircase. Sometimes you just distract it and then you miss the step. And then it's finished. You see? Hold on to the ground. If you fail, it's heavier than me. You're 2 times. You're 2 times heavier than I. I also thought it was okay. That's why I fell.
When I'm afraid to fall, sorry.
No. If you hold on here, even I can fall on you too. Right? No excuse. Suppose you fall, then both of us fall too, huh? How can you stop me when when I stumble on you? See what I mean? Okay. It's good that you walk in front of me, okay, fine, but you have to hold on, okay? So that both of us are safe, huh? That's why you protect me, if you want to. See you again. See you again. Love. Yeah. See you later. Okay, huh? Yes. Where do you go? Thank you. Remember what I read to you? Yes. Yeah, remember well. So you have your karma to control, okay? Control your destiny. Sorry, I cannot look at you, okay? I must look where I go. 又来了。
那个就是师傅有那次提醒我们要节约用纸张，然后就提醒我们用瓶子
要洗
啊，然后我们就用
这个啊。
对。
OK。
然后
不管哪一个了，能够洗就好。
啊，我们那里有30几个。
OK。
每年可以节省好多纸。
哦，这样子 OK。不管哪一个瓶都一样能洗就好。OK。不然的话，在厕所旁边多弄一个小水龙头那种啊，就可以拿出来拿过去用那个。
是。
个洗厕所也蛮干净的，听懂吗？平常水龙头就放很高嘛，很大嘛，有一个小小的啊，短短的，活动可以多接一个上去就好了，没多少钱，这样不用拿瓶。不过旅行是要拿瓶的 ，OK？ 这里我们这边他们没有多弄那个水龙头啊，厕所那边都没弄，这边没弄。有啊，额外的，不是说洗澡额外小的。啊，现在他用那个了，啊，没有的话就用瓶 ，OK？ 这样。What is that?可以哈，我等下回来。看到哈，好。OK。下去。难得他们来，机会难得，比较远点。好，现在凉哈。对。哇 ，smells nice。怎么那么久了？跑掉了？哦，不是你，是这么久还没有？smells nice 啊！这件是什么？还没吃吗？还没。你快走了。 nhẹ nhàng một chút thì karma mình nó bớt, hiểu chưa? Nhẹ nhàng một chút, bỏ hết đi, bỏ hết. Mình thắng mình thua cũng vậy thôi, trong nhà không à, hiểu không? Rồi, về mình dọn lại, ok? Dọn đây, ok? Nhớ tu hành đi, đời ngắn ngủi, biết đâu ngày mai chết rồi không kịp tu, hả? Nhớ nha. Chưa có nghĩ được đâu, nhưng mà từ từ nghĩ lại, ok? Nhớ đời ngắn ngủi, cái gì cũng tạm bợ thôi, tu lẹ không kịp. Nhiều khi mình thấy mình trẻ nhưng mà ngày mai ngày mốt chết rồi chưa biết, hiểu chưa? Ráng tu thôi, đừng nghĩ gì hết, ok?